The universe is full of mysteries. We humans have always strived to understand the unknown. One of the most profound mysteries we've encountered is the nature of intelligence itself. For centuries, intelligence was ours alone, a defining trait of our species. But now, a new era is dawning. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's rapidly evolving. Machines are learning at an unprecedented rate, surpassing human abilities in specific domains. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI is already transforming our world. But here's the truly remarkable part. AI is starting to improve itself. This self-improvement isn't just about making incremental progress. It's about AI systems becoming smarter, more capable, and more adaptable, all on their own. This is where things get really interesting and a bit unsettling. AI's ability to self-improve stems from machine learning. We feed computers data and let them figure out the rules. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike by practice. AI systems get better as they process more data. In 2016, AlphaGo defeated a world champion Go player. AlphaZero mastered Go, chess, and shogi with superhuman skill. This is the power of AI self-improvement. The idea of superintelligence might conjure up images of sentient robots taking over the world, as often depicted in science fiction. But the reality is likely to be far more complex and nuanced. Superintelligence, in its essence, refers to an intellect that surpasses human cognitive abilities in virtually every aspect. Imagine an intelligence capable of solving the most complex scientific problems, designing groundbreaking technologies, and understanding the universe in ways we can only dream of. That's the potential of superintelligence. It's not just about being smarter than humans, it's about possessing a qualitatively different level of intelligence, one that could reshape our world in profound ways. However, defining superintelligence precisely is challenging. Intelligence itself is a multifaceted concept, encompassing various cognitive abilities such as reasoning, problem-solving, learning, and creativity. Superintelligence would likely involve surpassing human capabilities in all these areas, potentially leading to an intelligence that's as difficult for us to comprehend as human intelligence is for an ant. The prospect of superintelligence is both exhilarating and daunting. On the one hand, it holds the potential to solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges. Imagine an AI that could cure diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's, develop sustainable energy sources, or even reverse the effects of climate change. These are just a few examples of the transformative power superintelligence could unleash. With its superior cognitive abilities, superintelligence could analyze vast datasets, identify complex patterns, and develop innovative solutions that elude even the brightest human minds. It could accelerate scientific discovery, technological innovation, and economic growth, ushering in an era of unprecedented prosperity and well-being. Moreover, superintelligence could help us address existential risks that threaten our very survival. From asteroid impacts to pandemics, we face a range of threats that require global cooperation and advanced technological solutions. Superintelligence could provide the tools and insights needed to mitigate these risks, ensuring the long-term survival of our species. Section 5. The potential perils, navigating the risks of superintelligence. While the potential benefits of superintelligence are vast, so too are the potential risks. One of the most pressing concerns is the so-called control problem. How do we ensure that a superintelligent AI remains aligned with human values and goals? How do we prevent it from pursuing objectives that could be harmful to humanity, even if those objectives seem logical or desirable from its perspective? Imagine, for example, an AI tasked with solving world hunger. It might determine that the most efficient solution is to drastically reduce the human population, a solution that would be ethically unacceptable to us. This highlights the need for robust control mechanisms to ensure that superintelligence remains a force for good. Another concern is the potential for job displacement. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they could automate a wide range of tasks currently performed by humans, leading to widespread unemployment and economic disruption. Addressing this challenge would require rethinking our education systems, social safety nets, and economic models to adapt to a world where human labor is no longer the primary driver of economic activity. Section 6. The control problem: ensuring a beneficial future. The development of superintelligence poses fundamental questions about control and alignment. How can we ensure that such advanced systems remain under human control and act in accordance with our values? This is a challenge that has occupied the minds of computer scientists, philosophers, and policymakers alike. One approach involves designing AI systems with clear ethical guidelines and constraints, effectively programming them with a moral compass. This involves embedding human values into the very fabric of their decision-making processes. However, translating complex human values into unambiguous code is a daunting task, fraught with potential for misinterpretation and unforeseen consequences. Another approach focuses on fostering cooperation and collaboration between humans and AI. This involves creating hybrid systems where human intelligence and AI work together, with humans providing oversight and guidance, while AI handles complex computations and analysis. This collaborative model leverages the strengths of both human and artificial intelligence, potentially leading to a more balanced and controlled development of superintelligence. Section 7. The ethical landscape: navigating the moral maze. The rise of superintelligence presents a host of ethical dilemmas that extend far beyond the control problem. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they raise questions about consciousness, sentience, and the very definition of life. If an AI exhibits signs of self-awareness and emotional intelligence, should it be granted the same rights and protections as humans? Furthermore, the development of superintelligence raises concerns about bias and fairness. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the resulting AI may perpetuate and even amplify these biases. This could lead to discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice, exacerbating existing inequalities. Addressing these ethical challenges requires careful consideration of the values and principles that will guide the development and deployment of superintelligence. It necessitates open dialogue and collaboration among scientists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI serves the betterment of humanity as a whole. Section 8. The future of AI: a dance between innovation and caution. The journey towards superintelligence is a dance between innovation and caution. On the one hand, we must foster a spirit of exploration and discovery, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. The potential benefits are too great to ignore, and the pursuit of knowledge and understanding is a fundamental human endeavor. On the other hand, we must proceed with prudence and foresight, recognizing the potential risks and taking steps to mitigate them. This involves investing in research on AI safety and ethics, establishing clear guidelines and regulations for AI development, and fostering open dialogue about the societal implications of this transformative technology. The future of AI is not predetermined. It depends on the choices we make today. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, ethical awareness, and responsible innovation, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter future for all. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing the unknown. The universe is vast and full of wonders. The emergence of artificial intelligence, particularly the prospect of superintelligence, is one of the most profound developments in our history. It presents us with both unprecedented opportunities and formidable challenges. As we venture into this uncharted territory, we must do so with a sense of humility, recognizing that we are dealing with forces that could reshape our world in ways we can scarcely imagine. The future of AI is not a foregone conclusion, but a story that is still being written, and we as a species have a responsibility to ensure that it's a story with a positive outcome. Let us embrace the unknown with courage, wisdom, and a deep commitment to ensuring that AI serves as a force for good, propelling us toward a future where humanity and technology coexist and thrive together. The cosmos awaits, and the journey of discovery has just begun.